Hello, my name is Dr. Andrew Street and I'm the course leader for the course on risk management for asset managers. The course is structured as a combination of lectures and also workshops and discussion periods. The lectures obviously part covers the theory and the practice of risk management for asset managers, and the workshops and discussion periods are a great way of getting some practical examples to work on, and also to understand how the theory intersects with the reality of risk management for asset managers. The course itself is over 2 days, and during that period I would say we would roughly have about 25% in terms of hands-on workshops and discussion sessions, and then intermingled with the rest of the course there are of course Q&A sessions and opportunities, lots of opportunities for the delegates to ask questions as we go through. We're living in very interesting times as far as the markets are concerned, with the zero interest rate policy from central banks and the impact of regulation like Basel III, which means that a lot of the traditional providers of liquidity in the asset management space are actually exiting. That makes it very hard for asset managers. I think that liquidity risk at the moment is increasing, and of course that's a major problem for any kind of asset manager. But also I think that we're looking at a situation where we may well be at extreme ends, if you like, of asset valuation. And I think that over the next year or so we may well see some major movements in the market, and I think it's very important that asset managers understand that and are prepared for the kind of shocks that probably will come. And one of the things I do in this course is basically to understand the environment that we're operating in and how that actually affects risk for asset managers. Well, the course has several practical elements which really involve the analysis of data and understanding how we can take data and manipulate it to come up with information. And I think the key thing to understand is that without analysis, information or data is useless. We need to understand what the data is telling us and how to interpret that data. And more importantly, what we can do about it, how we can use the data to help us to manage our business more effectively. Well, I think one of the things to think about is my own personal input. My background's both as a trader and also a manager of trading and risk businesses, but also as a regulator, and also I have a background in quant as well. What I like to think is that I can bring all of those things to bear within the course, and it provides a sort of unique environment really to discuss these types of issues, so that we can actually look at the interaction of all of those factors. And I think, to be very honest with you, the unique selling proposition really of this course is myself. Well, the main thing to benefit from this course is really a much better understanding of the risks in asset management companies. And the idea is then that you can take that better understanding away, and the ideas and concepts and tools that we're going to learn, and apply them to your own organisation. Basically to improve on what's already there, or basically to be able to better critique current methodologies and improve on that methodology. And ultimately that of course will feed through to the bottom line. It's about better risk management, and that indeed means a better managed firm and also a more effective and more profitable company.